Hello friends, today we will discuss some rules of exponents and its examples. So rules of exponents means we know that is. So I am discussing here some important rules of exponent. Number one, a power n into a power m is equal to a power n plus m. This is a number one rule number one. A power n, a power m is equal to a power n plus m. So the base will be same and the exponent will be same, will be different. So in that case we have to add the exponents. Then rule number two, we have a power n all power m is equal to a power n multiplied by m, which means rule number two is if you have a base exponent with all raised to m, we can just multiply the powers there, so you will get a power n multiplied by m. Another rule, rule number three, a b all power n is equal to a power n and b power n, which means if you have two numbers or two letters in the bracket, so you wanted to give the power for each letter or number. So we'll just check one by one some examples also. So here for this example, x power 2 multiplied by x power 3 is equal to, we will get according to the rule x power 2 plus 3 equal to x power 5. Usually we are adding the power according to the rules of exponent number one. Another example from here, so x power 3 all power 3 is equal to x power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which means x power 9. It will not be 6. You are not adding this, you are multiplying the powers. Next, from this rule, best example is for this rule for this one, 2x all power 2. Usually for making mistake we are writing like that, 2x power 2, but it's wrong because we have to give the priority, give the power for 2 also, which means the answer will be 2 square and x square, which means 4x power 2. This will be there. Then we have some more important rules there. Rule number 4, a power 0 is equal to 1. A power 0 is equal to 1, and any quantity, any number, power 0 becomes 1. So corresponding example is, we have a 10 power 0 is equal to 1. So we have a power at any cost, power 0 means we are writing 1. Then we have another some more rules there. Rule number 5. We have a power n by a power m is equal to a power n minus m. So we are dividing instead of division power. If it is the same base, different powers, if we are dividing instead, we have to just subtract the powers. So for example, we have a x power 4 divided by x raised to 3. We will get x power 4 minus 3, which means x power 1, which is equal to x, like that. So we are getting the division rule. Then we have some more rules there, which means a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. If you have a minus is there on the power, so you are putting the all together in as denominator. If it is denominator includes the negatives, so we have to bring it up for the numerator. So like that we have a, so example, 1 by x power 5 equal to, we can write like this, x power minus 5, x power minus 5. Then if you have like this, rule number 7, a by b all power minus n equal to a by b all power minus n, which means a denominator you have to switch off. Denominator you have to switch to numerator, numerator you have to switch to denominator, which means here b by a all power n. This is a additional rule. And next one is, we are giving the priority for fraction on the power. Rule number 8. If you have a power 1 by n equal to, correspondingly 1 by n means we can write like this, the nth root of a, the nth root of a, which means what is on the exponent, what is the number in the denominator, the corresponding the root we have to take it as. For example, if you have like this, x power 1 by 2, for example, x power 1 by 2, which means root of x. Here it is 2, but no need to write, it is as it is by default, it is square root. Another example, 1 by 3, which means a cube root of x, like this. So one of the last rule is there, 9 a power n by m, a power n by m fraction on the exponent, it will comes like radical form, we can write this is, so mth root of a power n, or mth root of a all power n. This is we are solving by using that. Thank you.